stars on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me and maybe wanna catch on fire. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets run around. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we tried. All I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band will play, I'll always remember us this way. I wanna be just a When I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Look at me in the horror face, I'll always remember us this way.
Thank you, Keith, Sanchi, Hannah, kids. Great job. Great job sa inyo. Ano naman kaya ang may papayo ng ating ibang coaches? Kay Coach Pablo. Coach Billy.
Pablo, Jules, anong pinaggagawa nyo? Ang huhusay ng mga batang to. There's always something special individually. Kaya, kung sino man ang magpapatuloy sa next round, definitely deserving. Kaya, good luck, kids. And good luck, Coach Pablo.
Ngayon, alam na ni Coach Pablo yung nararamdaman ko. So, ngayon, Coach Pablo, ano ba?
Ito na rin, Coach Pablo, it's your time to shine.
Yeah, eto na. Alam ko mahirap, Coach, pero you have to make a decision, Coach Pablo. Sino kina Keith? Si Keith ba? Si Samchi ba? O si Hannah ang mananatili sa tropa ni Pablo?
Gusto ko sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Hindi, katulad lang sinasabi ko kasi during the rehearsal, sinasabi sa kanila, if you want to do something, mag-commit ka. Huwag kang mag-hesitate kasi mawawala yung emotion. And you did just that. Kaya, oh my goodness. Mama. Pipiliin ko si Shamsi. Galing mo
sobra.
Congratulations,